is your favourite car?
Favourite to build it as well, do you know what? I haven't driven it yet. 720S, 100% want to go for 720S.
I think it's broken.
Yeah, now on the way back, yeah.
No! I think no! Look at it! Fuck! No!
What's up everyone, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. And I'm not in England, as you can tell from the background. I'm in sunny Florida, Orlando, and I'm going to be filming some incredible content over the next few days with Chiro from Petrol Henderson, Sam from Hard Up Garage, with Matt Armstrong, Tavarish, Freddie, and many more to see some really cool builds, hopefully get some cool videos. But a massive shout out to EBC Brakes for this trip. I can't thank them enough. Please go check them out. I'll leave EBC Brakes, all details below in the bio. And yeah, what a few days it's going to be for our little America adventure. This is the first state we're going to out of 3 in the next week. And yeah, let's bring on some crazy adventures here in Florida. And let's hope I don't get eaten by any crocodiles. And on this episode of Scoot Explores Nature, we have this amazing crocodilian, or gator, but if the camera focuses, that is actually a real crocodile right there, and his eyes have just come open. So this is probably the last you're going to see of me. And here we have a rather large bird, which I don't even know what it is, but look at that wingspan. Whoa, looks like a heron. Look who it is! Good to see you.
All right.
How are you doing?
All right, mate. All right. I'm rather hot. This thing's got no AC, so hence the windows down.
Of course you turn up in a Ferrari.
Of course, you know, this is how I roll.
Love it. Right, so whilst filming with the guys, I had to quickly get Matt. I know I'm not into all the building stuff, but I want to ask you personally, what is your favourite car?
My favourite car ever?
Yeah.
It's obvious, it's the Lamborghini Murcielago. Like, it's the one car I remember since the dawn of day. It's because everything's so wrong on it, it just makes it right. It's one of them, doors go up. Sweet. Even mine's like bright green. It's just stupid, but it is my favourite.
Even having one now, was it always in the back of your mind?
It's not my favourite to build it as well, do you know what? I haven't driven it yet, so this could be on hold. Let's pencil it in first.
Yep.
And we'll come back, let's say, 3 or 4 months time, once I start it up and drive it out.
Then we'll give it a go. After the first drive, that'll be the real test.
Yeah,
that'll be the real test.
At the minute, you know, never meet your, what's the saying? Never meet your heroes.
Your heroes, yep.
Never, yeah, it could be one of them moments with the Murcielago, but we'll find out.
And also I've heard with the McLaren, I know you want to build one.
Yeah.
Is there a certain McLaren you want to build?
720S, 100% want to go for 720S. Yeah, and that's just one with stupid power, and it looks like it's built, well, fairly well, we'll say, but I bet it's got its quirks.
Awesome.
Again, one of them, we'll find out.
Awesome, appreciate it. Cheers, Matt.
Thank you. Scott
once again putting his signature sticker. Look at him smiling, he loves it. The Rattarossa sticker. Where's he gonna go?
Where are we going to hide it so he doesn't find it for a long time?
Oh, restore.
That's a good idea. Come on. What about under the spoiler?
Oh yeah, under here.
Oh my god, please, because how long?
Can you film this?
This is gonna be amazing. Hiding.
Do a David Attenborough thing.
Yeah. Hiding the sticker.
We're here in the wild with automotive influences to see a rare skeptical, Mr. Rattarossa, tainting the world with his defective decals.
Yeah, this is a tradition now, yeah. So we've probably got one of the most famous cars on YouTube right now.
It's been famous for over a year, but even more famous
It's
now.
going to be even more famous when Matt finds this one day.
Oh my god.
It'll be alright.
Shall I put a big petrol Henderson one next to yours?
How do you feel about devaluing this?
Can't even see it.
You
How long will it take them?
How long do you reckon?
So far it's taken them 16 hours to install this one pipe.
That is Sam's model pose as he does.
Sam's got his finger in position.
Let's say Sam Ham on hit. There we go.
Freddie's making all the noises, but it's Sam that's doing all the work.
Okay, I think that's probably okay.
This is how you fix a 675 LT, bringing it back from the grave. This is how it looks, and that's the final missing piece.
Yeah, this is a life. I've just finished my meatball sandwich and now I'm in the back of the truck. Right in the back of the truck with Scott Radarossa. Oh no! Yes. Oh no! And there is the McLaren that the engine's blown.
So this is.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh!
Oh no!
Yeah.
But we caught it all on camera.
We got it all on camera, so that's good.
No!
I think.
No!
Look at it!
No!
I think we're going to just have to push it back.
No, it
has to be running to it so we can
Oh,
level it out.
man.
It's still gonna. It's gonna be. Yeah, we can just roll it. Oh, sorry. Are we good on that?
Good, straight.
Well done, guys. It's an EV mode.
So these things happen. The engine did go, and now we are pushing it back to the shop, about half a mile away. We've got a long walk to go. How typical.
Oh, we can't even afford the trailer. Push queen.
Sam, shut this.
It'll be a prop. Didn't have a prop. Yeah. Ready, I've never said this when you walk over.
So I am back in my bedroom and it is a month onward since I was in Florida filming everything you've just seen in this video. And I want to quickly say, I completely forgot to do an outro. That is only because I was out there mainly and the majority of the time for work purposes only. So I was filming out there for Petrol Hensum and Sam from Hard Up Garage. So all the content you see from them two, I was actually lucky enough to film all of that. And in my spare time, I got to film a lot of the behind the scenes of what went down in Tavarish's workshop and catching up with Matt Armstrong, who's smashing it on YouTube at the moment, from the views to hitting 1 million subscribers, and also seeing his wrecked from AdamLZ's previous crash in the PTS 992 GT3 Porsche. And yeah, that's going to be an insane build. But the funny thing is, Matt's actually going to go out to Florida next week, where he will return from the build. And unless he watches his vlog, which I hardly doubt, but if you do, Matt, hello. If you'll see Scott Radarossa, who placed a sticker underneath the wing. That will be funny because we haven't posted that anywhere else. And I thought I'd add it in my vlog because I am betting he won't see this, but if he does, it'll be funny for him to see it in Florida next week. But what an incredible trip it's been. But I did film a very special video with Tavarish, which should be coming out next month, which includes a hint of a flood and a very disastered hypercar. So stay tuned for that. It'll be amazing to show you the behind the scenes of that. And yeah, without further ado, hope you guys enjoy the behind the scenes. Please give it a like, please share, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in the next vlog very soon.